Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Science Fast Track course. This is Nawaz, and today we will be talking about our agenda of the day 8 of this particular course, which in this particular agenda you will see that we will be starting with the introduction to Tableau. Then we'll see how you can connect the data sources if you already have the data in your system. So we'll show you how you can import that particular data into the Tableau. Then we will be talking about how you can create the visualizations in the Tableau. Then we'll see what are the basic calculations you can do in the Tableau, as well as what are the different advanced visualization techniques which are there in the Tableau. Then we'll see how you can create the interactive dashboards, and also we'll see how you can share and publish the visualization. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's get started with how you can download the dashboard. So for that, okay, like what you need the Tableau. Okay, okay. So see, in the today's session, we will be talking about this particular Tableau. Actually, I have, published this Tableau on the Tableau public website. If you know, okay, this thing dashboard as well. So see guys, I have published this particular dashboard in the Tableau public, and if you see this thing, which is nothing but the IPL dashboard. So like if you know, like this is the month of April, and basically in India you will see that the IPL, right? And that's why I took this particular data set from the open source data website Kaggle. And right now, okay, we'll show you how you can create the dashboards like this. See, now what I wanted to show you over here is, okay, the very first thing is to how you can download the Tableau, right? So for downloading the Tableau, just go over here and you can simply go and use this Tableau public download. Okay, just go and download the Tableau public. See, this is the first link. And basically guys, Tableau is the paid software if you wanted to download the Tableau desktop, right? So that's a paid software, you can't download it. But there is one thing which you can use if you are a student. So if you are a student, so you can use your ID card to get the 1 year of free dashboard desktop, right? So if you see, go over here. Okay, this is basically it. So okay, let me just cut this. Okay, now if you see that, see there are multiple different things are there. So if you wanted to download the Tableau desktop, so you can see Tableau desktop is the paid one. So if you want the free trial, it will give you the free trial of 7 days, means whole 1 week, right? After that you will have to get the purchase the key for the Tableau desktop, right? After that, okay, like other than this, if you wanted to download these, you will have to you know you will have one thing which is nothing but the student ID. If you are a student, so you can use these and you will get a free key of 1 year subscription, which is totally free for you because you are a student, right? And okay, like if you don't wanna, if you are not the student, you wanted to again download the Tableau, which is open source, so you can simply go over here and download this Tableau public, right? So if you wanted to download, just go to the Tableau public, and basically it will you know tell you to just go sign in for the Tableau public. Then you will get the mail on the the basically on the your email that you insert over here, and then you can be able to get the Tableau public in your system, right? So see, recently I have downloaded the Tableau public, and from here you can download the Tableau public. Okay, these are the website which is totally community version, we can say, of the Tableau. So here you will find that a lot of Tableaus which desktops are there. Likewise, I shared the one desktop over here. Okay, so because I downloaded the Tableau public and I created the account, that's why like I can't do this thing. Okay, so you will get the one pop-up, and from there you will be able to download the Tableau public, guys. See, by using this particular link, this particular website, we can say. So that's how you can see how the Tableau public looks like. Tableau public, this is my dashboard I have shared. If you go ahead with the like the if you totally sit for the 3 hours in this particular session, as well as after understanding all these, okay, if you go for the recordings once, then definitely I am 100% sure you will be able to create the dashboards like this by your own, right? So let me just cut this. And now, guys, one more thing I just wanted to introduce you the, like as I mentioned in the previous session, this is the full data science, full stack data scientist training. Okay, and here the training is not just about the 120 hours. Okay, you will find that it's just the 120 hours is just the live session. Okay, after that you will find that the there are assignments are there, there are projects are there, so you will be able to do a lot of things, okay, in that. So like hands-on, you can say, and we'll try to make you the industry ready with this particular course. So you will just go ahead with this, like if you want, so I can share the link with you, as I mentioned in the previous session. Okay, uh, like I forced the like the we just launched this particular course for you guys. Okay, then after this, right, uh, after this I just wanted to show you one more thing. uh, if you wanted to understand these all the things, you can simply uh, go ahead with the the support team of the InfosecTrain. Okay, I'll share the number of the support team, so you can connect with those, and definitely they will tell you the dates and all about the the course. The second thing is that I just wanted to show you the curriculum of this. Okay, because you see that, okay, like in our previous sessions, okay, we we did multiple things in a very basic manner, so each and everyone can understand everything, right? If you are not from the statistics background, if you are not from the programming background, you don't know how you can how to code, you don't know what is mean, you don't know what is median and all about the statistical terms. So then this course is for you, right? So like if I tell you this all about this many different tools will be covering in this particular you know course. Now after this, if we go ahead with this, so here you can see the overview of data science, our full stack data science course. So here you can see that we'll be starting with this data science and all about, and the first module is going to be the SQL. Okay, because SQL is a very lengthy programming language. You will find that lot of different things are there, lot of different keys are there, what are the different databases you can handle. Then okay, you can see the different queries are there, as we mentioned the few queries in the yesterday session, right? So that is just the, I can say that 0.00001%, right? You will find that so many things in the SQL, right? See, after this we have the module 2, which is nothing but the Python. right? Like if you go and if you check with the few students, those who crack the exams of the data science, or those who crack the interviews of data science, so they can tell you, okay, there are two main programming language. One programming language is for the, you know, database, which is nothing but the SQL you should know. Second thing is that Python, to crack the entry level data science job, right? There will be one coding round, you will have to crack that particular coding round. So that's why you need this both term, Python and SQL. Then after these we have the, you know, these many things we'll be covering in that. You will find that each and every topic is a very different from another. And third one is nothing but the statistics, because in the data science interview you will find that the many questions, okay, coming from the statistics. So because that's why we are trying to covering all about the statistics, okay, which is related to data science, nothing else. Here you see. Okay, after that we'll be talking about the GitHub, how you can use the GitHub for the data science, right? then then we'll be coming with the machine learning. Here you can see that the lot of things are there, starting with the basic algorithm regression to coming with the most advanced algorithms of boosting, you can say the XGBoost, you know, which is a most popular algorithm for the hackathons. If you wanted to crack the hackathon, so you will have to use the XGBoost. Okay, and you should know how you can use because in the XGBoost there are multiple parameters. Okay, there is one thing you will have to, you know, cover the basically data, you know, the you can say data hyperparameter tuning. So for that you should know the parameters of XGBoost. Will try to cover the lot of things, okay, from this particular course. So here you can see these many things, okay, the time series you can see. Then NLP, okay, in the today's scenario, if you don't know what this time series is, so like I don't think so, like anyone is not using like the chat GPT. Okay, I hope all of you are using the chat GPT. So chat GPT is nothing but the one application of NLP, right? Natural language processing. So these are the, you know, we can say that the chat GPT basics. You can see the different major projects we are trying to cover, so you can showcase this project in your resume, right? Not like just the showcasing thing. You will be able to, you know, explain the each and every project, right? So in that way we'll be trying to cover this particular our course. This is about the deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but the very much similar to our structure of brain, neural networks, right? So few libraries which are very much important, you know, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, MXNet, right? So many different things. And finally we'll have the computer vision projects. Here you can see, right? And then we'll have the, you know, the module for the NLP, because you will find that the for the today's, you know, in the today's era you will find that natural language processing is not just the one topic of AI. It's the, you can say that the, you know, almost all the tools which are coming from the natural language processing nowadays, like the chat GPT, GPT-4, any tools you are using. Then what are the different libraries you can use in the chat GPT? NLTK Spassy library is there, right? Then we have the multiple projects based on the NLP, you can see. And then finally we have the data analytics, how you can create the dashboards by using the Tableau as well as the Power BI. And finally we'll try, you know, we'll make you job ready, okay, to give you the, you know, the guidance about how you can crack the interview, the different projects which you can explain in your, you know, and the mock interviews as well. So that's about the course, guys. So if you want, so you can simply go ahead with this, okay. So guys, after this, okay, like I show you the particular, you can say the dashboard, right? Creating the one dashboard like this, right? So if you see over here, we have the, you know, the, you know, the title for the dashboard, and this dashboard is totally interactive. If you go here and you see that, okay, here we have a data from 2008 IPL to okay 2020 IPL. So if you go here and you can see, so you will see that, see, this is about the 2008 IPL. So you can able to analyze the 2008 IPL data. So here you can see that the, the winner for that particular IPL is going to be the Rajasthan Royals. Okay, the orange cap. Okay, you can see that goes to the March. Then we have the purple cap. Okay, the we can say that the orange cap is for the batsman, the great batsman. The purple cap is for the, the bowler. Okay, and you can see the, the how many number of six. Okay, uh, in that, okay, like that is in the particular IPL of 2008. So you can see that the 623. Okay, if you see the fours, so this many forces you will see in the 2008 IPL. Okay, like this you can see that the, toss decision. So based on the toss decisions, so like whether the team, okay, going with the, batting or the fielding. So here you can see that the all about that, right? And how many matches they won, right? So six, okay, like out of 13 matches, nine, they won based on the, like the toss decision fielding. And you will see that the toss decision batting, how many matches they won the Royal Challengers. Like this, you will see about the different as well. And this is about the toss decision based on winning percentage. If you see the, so like many teams are preferring to go ahead with the, after winning the toss, they are going with the, fielding. If you see, okay, very few teams, 40% of the team, 44% of the team are going with the battings after winning the toss, like this. So this is about the 2008. You can go at the 2009 as well. So see, all the figures are changing. This is nothing but the, this dashboard is nothing but the interactive dashboard. That's why you will be able to see all the images are changing and all. You will see that the Deccan Chargers are there, the, images of the players, right? And this plot is also changing, if you see, right? So if you go ahead with the, let's say 2020 15, so here you can see that the 2015. So basically this is the analysis of the IPL of 2015. So that's how you can go ahead with the 2020 again. If you see, so see, in the 2020 the orange cap goes to, KL Rao, like this. Then Rabada, the purple cap goes to the Rabada, like this. Okay, so that's how you can see. And the winner for this particular IPL 2020 is going to be the Mumbai Indians, right? So this is how you can see, and that's how you can build the dashboard in it, right? We created the lot of things in that, guys. And let me go and open our Tableau public now, guys. Okay, like as you know, we wanna create the new dashboard. So for that, what we can do, we can simply, go and, import the one data which we will be using in our creating, for creating the data. Okay, and for the reference, we will create the, we will open the dashboards that we created, right? So this dashboard we created, like I shared this dashboard with you for the reference, so you can use this dashboard, alongside. Cool. So this is my dashboard. So let me go ahead with my new dashboard. Now here you can see that, guys. Okay, this is my data. Okay, this is my, okay, there are basically two CSV files. One CSV file is about the matches. Okay, is about the matches. So if I explain this particular data to you, so you can see that in this particular uh, data, you will find that the lot of different columns. Okay, lot of different columns you will be able to see. What are different columns? ID column is there. Okay, the first column is going to be the ID column for the matches. Then we have the city where the matches were played. Then we have the date of conducting that particular match. Okay, then player of match, you can see that. Then you will see that the venue. Okay, then neutral venue. Then we have the team one, okay, team two, okay, like for cricket we need the two teams, right? So that's why team one and team two. Then winner of the task, here you can see the winner of the task if you see, okay. Then we have the toss decision after winning the toss, okay, the which decision took from the winner of the task, like the fielding or the batting. Then the winner you can see of the match, right? Then results, you can see the results based on the whether the Kolkata Knight Riders win based on the runs or the wickets, right? Then we have the run, result margin, how many runs, okay, they like from how many runs they just won, like this eliminator methods, okay. Then umpire one, umpire two, the names of the umpire as well, okay. This is about the first data, okay. Now if we talk about the second data, which is nothing but, let's you know put click this particular dashboard and drag this dashboard over here, right? So see, it will take a few milliseconds, okay. And then here you can see that now we have the two different data set, and that data set is basically connected with each other, okay. And here you will find that the related fields is nothing but the ID. Based on the ID, this data is collected. If you see the third line, so you will find that the related fields, that is nothing but the ID, okay. Now if you see over here in this particular data, okay, this particular data is about the ball by ball, which means that this data is about the ball, each ball, analysis of each ball, okay, like the inning, okay, the over, okay, the ball, you can see the batsman, you can see, okay, the non-striker, the bowler, then batsman runs, extra run, what are the different extra runs, okay, in that particular given ball, total runs from that particular ball, ball. Then non-boundary, wicket or not, okay. Then you will find that the dismissal kind, okay. If you talk about the dismissal kind, so dismissal kind, here there are multiple things, like if you see few values which are the NA, then you can see that the bold, okay. Then you can see that the multiple again thing, okay. I'll show you this in the upcoming part, then you will understand. Like basically we will be using it for the 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 out, we can find out. And based on that, we can say that the like the who taken that particular run out, or bold, or you can see that the LBW out, like that, right? So that is particular column is about that particular thing. Then player dismiss, okay. Then fielder, you can see the extra time, batting team, bowling team is there, right? Now guys, this is about the data, okay. This is about the data. I hope you downloaded the data, and also you downloaded the Tableau public, right? Because the downloading procedure is a bit critical, because in the first you will have to add your email ID in the Tableau public. You will have to create that in that login ID and password over there, and they will share you the the link of the Tableau public download. So from that particular link you can be able to download the Tableau public, okay. Because if you see the cost for this, I guess uh, like for a year, like it's I guess 65 or around 75 $75,000, I guess, okay. So this particular Tableau public software is very costly, we can say. But you will find that you can build so many amazing dashboards by using this particular Tableau data visualization, right? Now after that guys, this is nothing but the data source, okay. Like if you're able to see my cursor, okay, so this is about the data source. Now guys, after that, our main goal is to build the data visualization, okay, from the dashboard, right? That, like how we created the dashboard, in the same way we want to create the that particular dashboard again, to show you how you can create your dashboard, right? So for that, let's go and create the one sheet. Now see, this is my sheet, okay. this is my sheet. If you see, so basically there are, you know, the column names which is there in the data set. So this is the ball by ball data, and this is about the matches data, right? And if you see, this is about the locations, okay, and the latitude, longitude, right? Okay, now after this, guys, okay, you can create a, you know, let's say any simple graphs over here, because you, if you go over here and if you see the show me, so you'll find that the multiple graphs over here, okay, like the bar chart, the table here, the map, you know, the word mapping is there, word map is there, the stack bar chart is there, you know, then multiple bar chart is there, then heat map is there. You can see that the line plot is there, area plot is there, histogram is there. You can see the bubble plot is there, you can see the box plot is there. In that you can able to find out the violin chart as well. So see, pie chart is there, you can create the donut chart as well by your own. There is no specific option for creating a donut chart, okay, you will have, okay, you can create your own, right? So guys, we'll see that, okay, we'll try to cover as much as possible in the today's session, right? So see, this is my first KPI, key performance index, okay, the title winner of the match, okay, which team is the winner of the match. Then we have the orange cap of that particular, you know, the match, or that particular IPL we can say, right? Then we have the purple cap, tournament success, tournament force, okay, select seasons like this. So guys, first we will go and create this thing, okay. First we'll try to create the KPIs, and then we'll go with creating the plots, right? So let us go ahead and create the KPI, okay. So if we're talking about the first KPI, so let us go, and for that here, just rename this particular sheet one, okay, which is nothing but the title winner. Now after this, guys, okay, our main aim is to create the, you know, the find out the winner of the IPL of the season, right? The which team is the winner of the IPL of the season, let's say 2008, 2009, 2010, like that. So we have the data from the 2008 to 2020, right? So almost 12 years of data we have. So what we can do, we can simply go over here. First thing, simply put the winners over here. So here you will find that the, you know, just the, you know, in the rings, this is just the drag and drop thing, okay. In the Tableau, most of the things are just the drag and drop. You don't have to, you know, write any code in that particular. It's like the 5%, okay, field you will have to create at the time of creating the new field or new column. At that time only you will have to write something, right? Otherwise you don't need to use your key, you know, keyboard. So guys, this is the thing. So first you will find that the, you know, these many uh, you know, the, you can say that the winners are there, okay. All winners you can say in, okay, not just the one. You can see that the from 2008 to 2020. So basically in the one season you will find that the multiple matches were played, right? So these are the winners of those all, right? And now our aim is to find out the main, you know, winner team, right, of each year. That is our aim. So for that, what we can do, we can simply go ahead and we can simply put the date. So if you see, okay, the date is going to be the basically the year, right? You can see the, you know, year, you know, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 12, like this. Now, okay, what we have to do, we have to convert this into the our original date, okay, that is there in our data. So what we can do, just, okay, click to this particular, you know, the year of date, okay, and select the exact date. If you see, the exact date is there, right? And again, now here you can't say anything from just looking at the data. Now for that, what you can do it, you can again go over here, you can just right click and you can just select the discrete instead of the continuous. If you see, this is going to be the continuous, now select the discrete one. Now here you will be able to get the all the dates, right, the and the winners. Okay, now again you can go ahead and you can use the date and you can put it over here. Okay, now you can see, guys. Okay, let me just put this thing over here so you will understand. Okay, okay, now here you can see, guys. Okay, this is the 2008, right? In the 2008, how many matches were played? So you will find that matches started from the, you know, the 1 May, you can see, right? So these are the number of matches were played, and the final match were played, okay, on 1 June, right? And the winner for that particular match is going to be the Rajasthan Royals, and that we want. Okay, and basically that we want, right? So what we can do, okay, we can simply just create, okay, for this, for getting this particular thing, okay, we want to create a, let's say, a calculated field. Okay, so how you can find out the calculated field? You can go over here. Okay, you can go over here and just click to this create calculated field. Okay, now what I can do, I can simply rename this. Okay, I can simply rename this as the maximum date, because we just wanted to find out our the, you know, the exact last date. Okay, so that's why you can see that the maximum date. And here what I'm doing, I'm just using the date column, and I'll be using the, okay, equal to, then in that, what I'm saying, just I just want the, you know, we can say the fixed maximum date, right? We just want the fixed maximum date. So for that, what we can do, we can simply use this fixed maximum date, right? That's it. Clear the curly brackets, and now here you can see that the calculation is valid, right? The calculation is valid. Just click to apply, which means that this particular maximum date is now created, right? Is now created here, right? Click to OK, and now what we need, just use this particular maximum date and basically, you know, put this into the filter. Okay, now here you can see that after putting this maximum date into the filter, the pop-up automatically opens, which is again the, you know, this is for the filters, whether you have to select the true or false, just select the yes. Okay, we'll have to select the maximum date, right? And then just click to, you know, we can say the apply, and you can simply click to the OK. Okay, now here you can see, now here, okay, what we got the maximum date of my whole data, right? We got the maximum date of my whole data, but what we want the maximum date of each and every year, right? We want the date year wise. So at that time, what we can do, we can simply add our, you know, the date column. Where is the date? See, the date column into the filter, you can say. See, now here, after adding these, let's use this particular year wise, right? Click to the years, right? And click the next. And now here you can see that all the years which are there, but okay, initially there is only one tick for the 2020. That's why we got the one line, right? Now click to all. Okay, Now click to all, and basically, you know, apply and okay this. Okay, now if you go over here, okay, if you go over here and you can see the show filters, so here you can see now you got the, you know, all the filters, okay, about the years. Now if you see, I just remove all the years. Now I just want the, you know, the, you know, 2008 data, right? So see, this is my main thing, you can see. Okay, now what I can do is I can just uh, now here you can see, okay, uh, okay, here you can see that the add to context, right? So basically why I'm using this add to context, because each and every time, okay, I need this particular thing. Okay, each and every time I need this particular thing, because we are creating the, you know, the dashboard like this. So each and every time we need this, so that's why I'll be just using this. Okay, not okay, I'll be using this. Okay, now after this, just we can, okay, just we want the winner name. Okay, winner name we want. Okay, we don't want the year of date, we don't want the, you know, the date. So that's why we are just removing this. Okay, we are just removing this. So here you can see we got this, right? We got this. Now you can see here we can simply use this. Okay, now we are just using this particular thing, and we are just putting this particular into the text. If you see, why it is not accepting it? Yeah, so here you can see that we got the Mumbai Indians, if you're able to see. Okay, if you see the title winner is going to be the Mumbai Indians. Now what we can do, we can simply go over here, we can, you know, use these. And what we can do, we can simply just click to this. We can convert this into the font as a tab, you know, Tableau bold, and we just click to apply and okay. Okay, and second thing is that, what we can do, we can simply go to the, you know, we'll try to, you know, change the color of it as well. Okay, like if you see the in the IPL, like the I color of the IPL is like blue, so you will find that the blue color. So that's why I applied the blue color on this, right? So this is the thing. Now after that, what we can do, we can simply go to the, you know, title winner. Okay, because I just wanted to edit this particular title. Okay, so I can simply again select these, go ahead with these, and again we can use this. Okay, we can, okay, just apply this and okay. Now here you can see that the we got the, you know, the title winner. Now here you can see that, guys, okay, this is not, you know, that much visible. So what we can do, we can simply put the entire view. Okay, now after putting the entire view, here you can see that we'll have to go and we'll have to arrange this into the center. So that's why what I can do, I can go over here, I can put into the, you know, go into the alignment, and I can use the middle. So here you can see. So basically, okay, this is going to be my, we can say that the first KPI is ready. This is just the, guys, this is just the one, we can say that the KPI. Okay, so how many KPIs they are there? Total around, I guess, total 5 KPIs, and one filter is there. If you see that this, okay, this is going to be the one filter. Okay, so we'll try to create the 5 KPIs first. Okay, then we'll go with the plots, and then we'll finally go with creating the Now what we can do is we can simply go to this, okay, right click to this, okay, then after we can go to the apply to worksheet, and here instead of saying that only this worksheet, so we are using all using this data source, right, all using this data source. So here you can see that now there is a one symbol we got, which is nothing but the one database. So basically now, okay, this year this filter automatically will be there when we are creating the new plots. Okay, so we don't need to go ahead with, right. Now see in the match, okay, like in each and every match, if you see that if the player is just just the batsman, we can say, okay, just made the century, or you can say that the highest number of runs or the scores, you can say. So okay, that orange cap will goes to that particular batsman, okay, that who created the highest score. Okay, so that is nothing but the orange cap. So we want to find out the orange cap winner for our each and every year for the IPL season, right, from the 2008 to 2000, you can say that the 20, right. So for that what we can do, we can use the batsman now, because okay, like this orange cap is regarding the batsman, right, and the you can say that the batsman runs, right. Then you can see that if you go over here, see batsman is there, just use this batsman and put this into the rows. From this batsman what we wanted to extract the which one we wanted to extract, we can say that we can say the the highest number of score which batsman made, right. So that we wanted to find out. Now after this what I can do, I can just go to this, click to the right, we can select the you know so here you can see that now we got the you know the run made by each and every, or the score of each and every batsman. Okay, so we want to find out the highest number of bats, the highest score which batsman, okay, has. So here you can see that the V Kohli, which is nothing but the Virat Kohli, has the highest score, okay, which is nothing but the 5878 runs made by the Virat Kohli, right. So this is about our all IPLs, you can say, right. You can say so mostly from the you can say that the 2020, right. Then what we can do, okay, we can use these, okay, the batsman, okay, we are okay, just dragging this particular batsman into the you can say that the filter, okay, and uh, we are using the control, and into the filter we are just dragging it, right. So now here you can see, now why I just wanted to drag these guys, because if you see that, okay, like I just wanted to go ahead with the top one batsman of each and every season. So here you can see the top filter is there, okay, just go with the by filter and use the top one, and here you can see that the by batsman's run, right, and the sum of that particular run, right. No changes made over here, okay, just remove the 0 from the 10, and here you can see the top one, go to the apply and okay. Now here you can see that, okay, now we got the highest score batsman, right, Virat Kohli, for our all the years. Okay, now here you can see that and modify the text. Okay, so modified the text, so what we can do, we can simply go over here, we can use these, select these all the terms, and uh, just go over here. Let's say, okay, and select the bold. Okay, now what we can do, we can, okay, select this, the blue, apply it, and okay. Okay, now what I can do is, I can, like, after doing this, what I can do, I can simply use this and I can put it into the, let's say, okay, my code. Now here you can see that this is nothing but the star I got. Okay, this is nothing but the star I got. So what I can do, I can simply change my view from standard view to entire view. If you see over here, so you can be able to see this, right? Now after this, I just wanted to again go over here, made this, and okay, use the center of the alignment, right? And now here if you see, I just want this name above, not the below. If you see, right, just click this, put into the middle, and let's say for this, okay, let's make it as the blue, but not this one. Just increase the font size a bit more, and we are ready to go. So I guess this looks, good. Now after this, go over here, and if you see the title, right, if you see the title winner, okay, see, title winner is this. So, and here you can see that the orange cap is there. So if you wanted to, made, just copy this particular, format, so you can simply go over here, you can put this, you can select the copy, you can just right click and select the copy formatting. You can go over here and you can paste the formatting. I guess this might work. Okay, so if, okay, the second thing is that you can just go over here and edit the title. Now you can select the title, you can go with the Tableau view, bold, and instead of center you can just apply it and okay it. Okay, so this is going to be my, this is my first one, this is my second one, right? Okay, that's cool to see. Now guys, after this, if you see, so what we can do, we can go ahead. Okay, now this is about the orange cap. Now we can simply go ahead and create the, third KPI, which is nothing but the purple cap. See, we are creating the dashboard, and now we just, done with the two KPIs. Now we want the third KPI, which is this, okay, which is nothing but the purple cap. Now, do you know guys about the purple cap? What is purple cap, and why it is important in the IPL? Because this is about the bowlers. Like if we're talking about the orange cap goes to the number one batsman. So the purple cap goes to the number of bowler. Yes, highest wicket taker, we can say. So for that, what we need the bowlers. Okay, so if you go over here and if you see the bowler, so this is the bowler, and you can just use this bowler, you know and what you can do, uh, you can simply use this bowler, and like we need the one more thing, like the bowler. Then second thing is that the how many wickets the bowler has taken, right? The is wicket, you can see this is my the second column. Okay, then third column is going to be the, you know okay, so if you see these dismissal kind, so you can be able to, let's show you that over here. Now guys, if you see this dismissal kind, so you can see that the first one is nothing but the bold. Then we have the catch, then we have the catch and bold, then we have the hit wicket, lbw, then the NAJ, then we have the obstructing the field, then we have the retired, hurt, run out, and stump. So guys, if we talking about the out of this 10 domain, okay, we can say that the few goes to the bowlers. So we can say that the if out of these 10 domains, okay, like what are the number of domain, okay, that comes under the bowlers, which means that bowler is doing the bowling. And like if we go with the we can say that the bold, so that is nothing but the wicket is taken by the bowler, right? uh, Now here you can see that out of these domains, how many, okay, goes to bowlers, okay, how many wickets we can say, okay, goes to the bowler. So we can say that the bold, okay, and then the catch, we can say the catch and bold, okay, then we have the hit wicket, then lbw also, okay, then we're talking about the obstructing, this is not under goes to the bowler, we can say this is again not goes to the bowlers, this out. Then we can say run out is not goes to the bowler, because run out is nothing but the the some fielder who just put the ball on the stump. So that is nothing but the we can say the wicket for that particular uh, the that player, not the bowler. Then here you can see the stump. So stump is under, we can say the goes to the bowler. Okay, so out of these total six, okay, I guess first five and the last one is goes to the bowler. Okay, so and remaining are not goes to the bowlers. Why I told you this guys, because there is one reason behind this. Okay, so basically, if we are just finding out the winner of the purple cap, we need to find out the how many wickets taken by that particular bowler, right? So that's why we'll be understanding this term. So now what we can do, we can simply put this bowler into the rows, and we can say add all members. So you can see that these are the number of bowlers you can see. For these numbers, to fill this all the numbers, what we can do, we can simply put this into the you know text. So now here you can see this all, right? Now what we can do is we can simply just put this. So here you can see that the first uh, and the a very famous bowler is going to be the Malinga Yorker, right? If you know, if you are if you are like if you are a fan of the the cricket, so you will definitely know the Malinga. Okay, this is a like he's a very famous bowler, and he's a very popular bowler, those who are able to do the balls in the we can say that the Yorker, right? Then what we can do after that, we need the dismissal kind, okay, because we need to select the only 6 out of 10 domains now. So what we can do, we can simply put it into the filter, right? We can simply put it into the filter. Now here you can see that in the filter we got how many different things. We got the ball, okay, that goes to the bowler, then this many things, and the last thing, right? Then what we can do, we can simply, okay, apply it, and okay. Now again the you can say that the Malinga is there with 170, right? Then here if you see, if you go over here, and if you see the year wise bowler, so here you can see, okay, let's say, let me remove these. Okay, so here the bowler, okay, like the bowlers in the 2020, you can see bowlers in the 2014, bowlers in the okay, 2009, 2008, if you see. So this is totally interactive, and this is possible because of this particular filter we already attach, okay, in the first. That is the thing. Now how to get the top, okay, top one bowler. How to get the top one bowler? Let's say my for top bowler in this particular 2008 IPL series, so season, you can say the Sohail Tanvir is that, and how many wicket he took? The total 22 wickets he took, right? Then if you talk about, let's say, 2015, so 2015, here you will see that the DJ Bravo is the, bowler who took the, 26 wickets, and like, he was the winner of the purple cap, right? If you see the winner of the 2020, so you can see the Rabada, okay, Rabada is there, and he is the winner. He took the around 30 wickets, right? So how to take that 1%? How to take 1%? At we took it in the same over here, you can see that we took the one first now. Now after these guys, here if you see, okay, this is a thing. Now here you can see that. Now what we can do, we can simply use the, you know again, okay, like if you wanted to just find out the singular data instead of all my list of is each specific year, okay, so for that what I can do, I can just simply go and use the control and plus baller, just use it and drag it over here, right? Now what I can do, I am adding the filter on the bowlers. Okay, now I don't want the general, I want the top one bowler, right? So for that what I can do, I can simply go over here and I can simply use the top one by is wicket column, and the by just calculating the sum of it that we did in the second column here, if you see. So let's go and apply it, and okay, now here you can see we got the, you know the name S Malinga and the how many wickets he took, right, in all the years, not the one single year, right? Now what I can do, I can simply select the bowler now, okay, and basically I can simply put this particular bowler into the text, okay. So after putting these here, you can see, let's change the entire view, okay, standard view to entire view. Now here you can see this is my data. Now let's go and modify the data. So for modifying data, you can see what I am doing. I am now simply just copying these. I'm just putting these into the above, okay. Copy this, put it into the middle, use this as a, let's say, put this font as a 14, use the Tableau bold font, okay, and then okay, then apply the another font on this. For this first, let's change the color, let's go with the 16 font size, let's go with the Tableau bold and apply it, and okay, right? Now after this, if you see alignment, just go over here and put this thing over here, right? After this, go over here, okay, edit the table, you can select the name of the table, okay, we want the Tableau board, right? Apply it and okay, got it. So this is how we done with the third KPI, if you know, like, not, I just right now I just don't wanted to save it, so that's why I'm just uh, you know doing this thing. Now let us go ahead and understand the next KPI, which is nothing but which one, the tournaments, how many sixes, okay, are there, how many fours are there, right? Now we're done with the three KPIs, guys. Okay, we will be working with the tournament 6 and the tournament 4s. Now let us go over here, okay, and create the new worksheet, new sheet in short. Rename it tournament 6, right? Now this is my, you know, the fourth KPI, guys. Okay, now here in the tournament, okay, like how many six, like the how many six runs are there? Okay, like the four run, which means the boundary is six, then one run, two run, three run, zero run, like this. So for that, okay, what we need this particular column, right? We need which one? The batsman runs. Okay, if you see the batsman run, now you can simply use these and put this into the text. Okay, sorry. So if you put this into the, the text, now here you can see that the batsman run. But if you understood the problem, now here we have to find out the tournament sixes. Okay, how many sixes were there in the tournament? So for that, what I can do, I can simply go over here, right click, and what I can do, I can simply go to the measure, and instead of sum, here you can see we are just calculated the sum. What we want the count. Understood? What we want the count instead of a run. Now after this, what I can do, I can simply again use the, you know the again the same column, which is nothing but the batsman count, and I'll add in the filter. Why? Because here you will find that there are six different values, not the six, seven, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total seven different values are there, right? So for that, we can simply, what we can do, we can simply just use the batsman run and put this particular thing into the, you know we can say that into the filter. Now what we want the, again the count, we can say. Let's go to the next, and now here you can say again, if we go with the apply, so I guess this is the, mm, like here we are getting the, not the 0 to 6, we are getting the, the count. If we go over here, okay, and like let's go with the discrete. Okay, and similarly I guess, uh, yeah, what I can do, I can simply use these. Okay, and the count, I hope this will work. No, why it's, I want the count in terms of 0 and 6. Batsman run. Okay, go with the, I guess, all values. Yes, now it is clear. Now here you can see, guys, okay, like there are, a lot of options are there. So sometime, like there might be, some confusion about the different filters, you can see. Now our goal is to find out the six, not the 0 run, 1 run, 2 run, 3 run, like. So what I can do, I can simply change this minimum value from 0 to 6. Okay, now here you can see the minimum value is 6 and maximum is 6, which means that we are just taking this value as a 6 only, not 5, not 4, not 3, not 2, not 1, not 0. At this, click apply and okay. Now this is the thing over here, right? Now what I can do is, I can, we got the run. Okay, we got the, we can say that the, how many sixes, okay, are there to tournament, sixes are there, right? Then what we can do, we can simply go and modify the text. So I guess, go with this, the continuous one, no issue with that. I can simply go and modify the text. Okay, and here I just wanted to modify the text as the, Okay, apply it, and let's, sorry, let us go ahead with the blue. Okay, apply. Okay, now after this, instead of here standard, let's go with the entire view. And in the entire view here, you can just put this value over here. Now let's go to the, like, it's just the repetitive task. See, now just go to the edit title. Okay, select this. Okay, and use this, right? That is it. Okay, now we did all this, like for entire view for all. Okay, now after these guys, okay, let's go and basically just print the, you know, just go with our, I guess this is going to be the our fifth, you know, our fifth API, KPI we can see, right? Tournament force, right? First we saw the tournament 6. Now here you can see the tournament 4, right? So how you can find that? Now guys, see, now if you told me how I can do this, like the I did it in front of you, tournament 6. Now if I want the at least a hint from you, so like the how can I go and, you know, create the, you know, find out the value of tournament force. Again batsman's run, right? Batsman run. Now here, instead of going with the sum, just click to this, and here go to not the 4 and 5, only 4, right? And the count. Now this is my count. After this, we'll have to go and do the same thing, like with the, again we'll have to add the batsman run over here. Okay, go with the all values, right? Go with the all values, put the next. And now here, instead of selecting the 6, I'll select the 4, because these are the 4s, right? See, now I can simply select the 4, click the OK, right? That is the thing. Now after this, what I can simply go and modify the text. That's it guys, done with the fifth tournament KPI as well. Okay, now here you can see, okay, let's go to the entire view. Okay, not the standard view, and let's modify the text. Okay, select the all text. Okay, just increase the size, font size from 9 to 16. Use the Tableau bold font, and use the blue color for this. Apply it, and okay. And what you can do in the alignment, you can, you know, click to the center alignment we want. Go over here, edit the title, select the title, and just, you know, apply it as a Tableau bold font, right? That is it. Okay, so that is how you can simply go ahead and understand how you can do this how you can do this thing. Okay, understood guys? Now basically guys, these are just the, you know, repetitive procedure you should know, and the tournament 4 is somewhat similar. So we can do it by another way. Okay, so this way I can simply created my new sheet. Okay, I rename it, and I did with the, you know, I went with the same procedure, and I got the tournament force. Okay, what I can do, I have the another method. I can simply, okay, go over here and click, okay, right click to this sheet, and I can simply create the duplicate. Okay, let me show you. After creating the duplicate, let's rename this. Now let's put this as the tournament 4 2, because here we already created the tournament 4 now, so that's why tournament let's create this as the 4, not the 6. So this is my tournament 4's second column, duplicate column, just for your reference, guys. Okay, now I'll have to, okay, make one change over here. What? Just go over here, edit filter. Now instead of 6, what I can do, I can use the 4, right? This is my 4. Apply it and okay. Now see, remaining things are same, and this column all the same. You will see that the values are the same. See? So that's how you can create the duplicate column. So for that, you will have to know that particular topic that you are doing, that you are creating data visualization, that is that particular thing is the duplicate one. You can create the duplicate or not, right? So that's what you should know. So if you go with the repetitive procedure, then you will understand this, all this thing, right? Now what I can do, I can simply go and delete this because I created this. This is just for your reference. That's why I created this. Nah? Okay. Now, guys, I guess KPIs, key performance index. This is my first KPI winner, title winner. Here you can see. This is my first KPI title winner, orange cap, purple cap, tournament 6. And here you can see the tournament 4s, right? Now here you can see we just created the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 KPIs we just created. Okay, now after that we'll just go and create the plot. Okay, we'll just go and create this plot, right? We'll have to create this particular plot. See, if you see the data, like the not each and every data is clean, right? But yes, definitely you will have to clean the data before visualization, right? So here if you see that, like uh, like in the upcoming part, okay, I'll show you the few columns which are not clean column, like there are duplicate values are present, right? So how you can handle that particular data? So itself in the Tableau as well, you can handle that kind of data, right? Okay, so we can say that this is not, not the properly clean data. Yes, there is a, you know clean data, lot of data you will find that which is open source. Okay, but when you are, in real time, when you are working with the data, okay, then try to create, try to see your data, like whether that data is clean or not. Okay, and then go with the further parts. Okay, that's cool. Now guys, let us go ahead, and what we can do, like as we know, we just created all required KPIs. Okay, and now we can add the images into all KPIs. Now what you can see, okay, see, this is my first KPI. Okay, title winner, Mumbai Indians. Okay, this is my second KPI. Virat Kohli is there. Then we have the Malinga is there. We have the, tournament. Then the tournament force is done. You will find that the many different images are there. Okay, like I just downloaded few images, not for each and every cricketer, not for each and every team, right? I just selectively I took the images, because if you see that, okay, these all the images, those are the faces of the orange cap winners or the purple cap winners, right? And the few teams, if you see over here, so few teams are also, you can say that the few are nothing but the IPL winners, few are not, right? If you go and download each and every player's image, so you will find that there are a lot of players. Okay, like the few players, just just retired from the cricket as well, like the Sachin Tendulkar, you will find, right? So many players who retired from the cricket as well. Okay, but this player were played, okay, in the previous year, like 2008, 2009, okay, 2010, like that. So that's why we are just using the faces of the the players, those who played very well. Now guys, okay, these are the few things like I just wanted to tell you, and I share this particular images with you so you can use these images, right, as well. Okay, now let's move to our dashboard. So here you can see that, okay, Mumbai Indians, you will see that the image for this Virat Kohli, you will see the image Malinga, you will see the image. Not for this only, if you go here, okay, in the filter, let's say if I wanted to select the, let's say 2008, so you will see, okay, that the different images over here, see, different images, right? If I go with this 2016, so here again you can see the different images, right? And the these plots are also changing. Let's see and go the 2020, so here you can see the different images, right? So these are the multiple things are there. So how to add these particular images, so that's what I'm going to show you now. Okay, so for that guys, let us go and create the duplicate sheet for this particular title winner. So let's go and right click and just create the duplicate. And now here we can simply, okay, because here we are adding the image now, that is why here you can see we can say that the team images, okay, we can simply put the name for this. Now after this, okay, what we can do, we can, okay, simply go and transform, because here we are dealing with the shapes, means the images. That's why what we can do, we can simply go over here and we can use the shape, right? So after this, okay, we can simply use this particular winner, okay, instead of this text. Okay, now basically this is in the text now. Okay, I'll be removing that from the text and I'll be adding into the shape, if you see. So here you can see the winner is now Mumbai Indians, but here you will see the shape, right? Now second thing is that, okay, if you just simply go over here, okay, into the shape, right? And if you see over here, like the defaults, so because this are, okay, this is my default shape, okay, it is taking the default shape right now, okay, which is nothing but the circle. Now let me select these and I can go and select the different shape palette which I created. Now here, okay, let me just go and show you the team images. If you see that, okay, this is a, this is going to be the team image. I can simply select the image for the Mumbai Indians. Okay, this is the Mumbai Indians. Apply. Okay. And now here you can see the image. Now, how I created this particular thing, how I created this particular palette teams images. Okay. So if you wanted to create the same in your, you know, Tableau, so what you can do, you can simply go over here. You can select the all the logos of the team, not the, the members, just the select the logos of the teams. Okay, cricket teams like the Kolkata Knight Rider, Royal Challenger, Rajasthan Royals. You can see now here you can see that Royal Challengers Bangalore, Mumbai Indians, then Gujarat Lions, then here Night 11 Punjab. Okay, then Chennai Super King, if you see, then the Delhi Capitals, okay, Deccan Chargers, like this, then Sunriser Hyderabad. Select all the images. Okay, select all the images, right? Just use the control plus select all the images. Yeah, not this one, right? I just selected all. Now just copy it from here. Just copy this from here. Now after this, go to the documents. Go to the documents. After going into the documents, you will find that there is one folder of the Tableau, and the name of that particular folder is going to be the My Tableau repository. Just double click to it, open this particular, and here you will find that the multiple folders. Just go into the shapes. Just go into the shapes, and here you will see that I just created the team's images. Okay, and I just paste all my team's images over here. Okay, I'm just pasting all my team's images over here. Understood, guys? So okay, now after creating this particular team's images over here, okay, see team's images here. Now if you can simply go over here, like in the once, okay, you will never see that particular palette over here. So for that, what you can do, you can just go and reload the shapes. Just reload the shape, and then you will able to see the team's images, right? And then select your team and select the logo for that. Apply the changes and okay. Now here you can see the Mumbai Indians. Now do this thing for year wise. Now see that in the year 2008, okay, the team Rajasthan Royal is the winner, right? Was the winner, we can simply say. Now what I can do, I can simply go to the shape. I can simply select the teams. Okay, select the Rajasthan Royals, and I'll be selecting the, you know, the logo of this Rajasthan Royals. Okay, this one. Okay, apply the changes and okay. And here you will be able to see the Rajasthan Royal logo. Understood? Do this for all the years. That's it. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, repetitive task is there. You can simply see. Then the Deccan Charges. Go again into the shape. Go over here. Teams images. Select the Deccan Chargers and see the Deccan. Not this. I guess this Deccan Chargers. Okay, select this. Apply the changes. Okay, Deccan Charges. See, again go for the next year, which is nothing but the 2010. Go over here into the shapes. Now this is the Chennai Super Kings. Okay, now for Chennai Super Kings, just select the logo. Okay, now here you will see that there are two logos. You can either select this or either select this. Choice is yours. I am just selecting this Chennai Super King logo, right? See, this is how cool is that. Now after this, select the next year. Again, the winner is same, so no need to update the image, right? Go ahead with the 2012. Then Kolkata Knight Rider was the winner. Again, do the same thing. Go with the team's images, select the Kolkata Knight Rider, and go with the Kolkata Knight Rider. Apply it. Okay, Kolkata Knight Riders. Go with the next year. Okay. Now you will find that this is very easy and boring task, because here we are just doing the multiple things. See, this is the logo already there, no need to update it. Now the Kolkata Knight Rider again was the winner in 2014. Now in 2015, Mumbai Indians was the winner. Then Sunriser Hyderabad was the winner in the 2016. Go and select the shape and find out the team for this Sunriser Hyderabad. I guess this one. Apply it. Okay. See Sunriser Hyderabad if you see. Okay. Now after that, let us go ahead with further year. See Mumbai Indian 2000, 18, 2017 again the Mumbai Indians. Sorry, Mumbai Indians. Then 2018 Chennai Super Kings. Then 2019 again Mumbai Indians. Then 2020 again Mumbai Indians. Okay. So now these many logos you can simply add over there. So I'm just repeating this sentence, guys. Okay, you will have to update this team's images, or you will have to add this over here. Then only you will able to read the images like this. Okay. Now after creating the team images, we'll have to go ahead with the orange cap. Now here you will have to add the cricketers images, right? So again, the next thing is to go over here, make the duplicate. After making the duplicate, just rename this. Now here you can see cricket cap. You can say that we can simply go ahead and say that the images. Again do the same thing. Purple cap images. In the purple cap, we, as we know, okay, we will be talking about the bowlers. See here, bowlers, right? So our aim is to again just find out the bowlers and go to the documents, go to the my Tableau repository, go into the shape folder, and here create the one new folder of the bowlers. As I created the folder of the bowlers, here you can see, right? So you can create the same. Now after this, guys, okay, after creating the the one folder of the bowlers, just go to over here. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Just go to the shape, reload the shape. You will see the bowlers palette over here, right? Got it? Now RP Singh, right? Now just go and select the image of the RP Singh. As we know, RP Singh's image is going to be this one, right? Is going to be this one. So what I can do, I can simply go over here and I can select the image of the RP Singh. Okay, select the name, select the image, click apply. Okay, that's how you can. Okay, it's a very much simple, right? Then click to the next, I guess. Okay, and the this one Sohel Tahir. Okay, so let's go with the year by year, then you will understand. Then go with the default the bowlers. Then this one. Okay, and select the name, select the image, apply. Okay, right? Go with the 2009, which is we already filled it. Then 2010 RP PP Oja. So here you can see that the PP Oja. Okay, this. Okay, Pragyan Oja is there. So let's go and select it. Bowlers, then PP Oja, and here you go. Select the image, apply it. Okay, that's it. It's very simple, guys. It's way more simple. If you know how to do it, you can definitely create the the dashboards in 1 hour, 1.5 hour like this. Okay, then 2011 you will find that the Malik can do the same thing. Okay, select the name, select the image, apply it. Okay. Okay, after these, guys, like after doing all this stuff, like I'll be showing you how you can create the dashboard, right? How you can create the dashboard. So dashboard is very much important. Okay, so that you can mention in your resume, like you created the dashboard, right? So that's why I'll be showing you this all the things. Purple cap images. Then after this, okay, 2012. Okay, Morkel. Then let's go to the ballers. Select the M Morkel and just see the the images. See the Morkel images there. Then I guess this one. Okay, applied. Okay. Then 2013. Okay, do the same. DJ Bravo. Okay, ballers. DJ Bravo is there. I guess this one. Okay, okay, okay. Now select the next year, which is nothing but the 2014. Sharma, Mohit Sharma. Okay, now here let's go with the ballers and select the Mohit Sharma's image. So here if you see, I guess this one Mohit Sharma's image. Okay, okay, go to the 2015, again the DJ Bravo. Then 2016 Bhuvneshwar Kumar Bhuvi, we can say. Okay, the ballers, select the name, select the image, apply. Okay, then 2017 again the Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Then okay, AJ tie. Here if you see the ballers, so let's go to this, I guess this one, AJ tie. Let me just recheck. Yes, tie is there, right? Then what about 2019? Okay, K Rabada. So you can simply go over here, you can see the ballers, you can select it, and this is the Rabada, right? Applied. Okay, and again the same K Rabada is there. Okay, so that's how you can add the images. Here matches win based on the toss decision. So what I need here, I need the winner. I can simply put this into the rows. So here you can see. Now guys, I got one question from you, na? Which one? I got one question which is saying that, okay, can we do the pre-processing over here in the Tableau? So yes, we can do the pre-processing over here. So if you see, let's say the Delhi Capitals is there, then Delhi Daredevils is there, right? So these are not the two cricket teams. This is the single cricket team, which that just created the rename. Okay, first the name of the Delhi team was the Delhi Daredevils. Okay, and now here if you see the name, which is nothing but the Delhi Capitals. Okay, that is the thing. Now the second here, if you go Pune Warriors is that, then Rising Pune Sun Giants, if you see, then Rising Pune Sun Giants, just the S different is there. So you see that the three same values. Okay, just the duplicate you can see. So what I can do, I can pre-process it. Okay, I can pre-process it. So simply just, I guess not here, you will have to go over here, select this, and here if you see that, okay, I guess yes, there is a create. Okay, choose this option, choose the groups option. Now here you can see, we just the new pop-up automatically on. Here you can see Delhi Capitals, control, and select the Delhi Daredevils. Now here you can see I'm gonna group these two, okay, in the one. Now here you can see I'm just renaming it as the Delhi Capitals. Apply the rename. Okay. Now here you can see as I applied the thing, so here you can see I just created the one new column which is nothing but the winner group. Now I'm making the changes again, okay, in this particular group. Okay, so here edit group, So this is how I just created the Delhi capitals. Now let me create the Pune, you know, uh, the group of the Pune, because here you will find that the three different names for the Pune cricket team: Pune Warriors, Rising Pune Super Giant, Rising Pune Super Giants. Okay, let's create the group. And what you can do, you can simply go and remove the first two. Okay, after removing it, just, click to OK. Now here, use this particular group. Okay, and basically you can put this particular group, okay, the winner group. Okay, now let me just remove this, because we don't need that. We need the groups, and which is the pre-process one. Okay, this is the, this is the, you can put the, because here you will find that the few missing values, you can directly exclude it if you want, you know like, why I put this, because this is the data, and like in the upcoming part, if if you want, so we can update this, we can edit the name, right, while creating the dashboard. Okay, so that will make, like, not other than any less. Here you can find that the na is very, at the last. What we can do, we can simply just use the again the winner column. Okay, and I'll be using the winner column over here in the columns. Now here you can see the somewhat, which is not understanding format. Okay, now just what I can do, I can simply just go and right click to it. Okay, and I can just simply go to the measures. Okay, and I just select the count. Now what I can do, I can simply go to the sort. Okay, this is the thing, and see, in a one, you know just the click, I just able to sort it into the ascending order. You can do it into the descending order as well. Okay, this is totally your choice. Okay, now we just created the one column. Now what is the difference between our this plot and this plot? Okay, basically in this plot you will find that the, you know two different values in one plot, right? One is for, you can say that the toss decision, either fielding or the batting, right? What you can do, we can simply go ahead. Okay, now after adding these, what we can do, we can simply put the toss decision. As you see the toss decision over here. Okay, the toss decision. Okay, field or batting. So we can simply use this toss decision, where, okay, this one, and I can put it into the, now after this, we can simply go ahead, like after getting the values, I just wanted to see these values which are, in a more correct. So that's why I can simply go ahead and edit the font, right? I can simply use the font as a, let's say, instead of Tableau book, I can use the Tableau semi bold. Okay, now it might be, visible, I guess. Now what I can do, I can just a bit decrease the size. Okay, so it will fit into the bars, right? Now after this, what I can do here, the second thing is that I don't want this. I don't want this X coordinate or X axis. So for that, I can simply right click to this, and I can unclick this show header, hide this particular header, right? Now after this, okay, we can simply, you know like we wanted to fill this particular all, like we did for the all, like we just change the view. So for this again, we are changing the view from the standard to entire view. Now here you can see, just by changing the view from the standard to entire view, here you will be able to see this thing. Okay, now it is very much, very much easy to understand, right? Now what else, like, uh, we can edit the colors. Okay, if you wanted to edit the colors, go to the edit colors. Okay, edit colors, you will find that these are the few colors. Okay, if you wanted to go ahead with any different, like I went with these. Okay, I selected this bat as this, and I selected this field as this, apply it. Okay, now you can see the same as we have over here. See. Okay, now this is the, we can say that the first plot I just created. Now let's go and create the another plot. Okay, which is nothing but my pie plot. This one, this is not exactly the pie plot. This is, you can say that the donut chart, right? And you will, if you see in Tableau, there is no donut chart. You can't create the donut chart. Here you can see the pie chart, but not the donut chart. So for that, we can create the donut chart. Okay, we can do some modifications and we can able to create the donut chart over here. Okay, let me quickly show you. Okay, and then we'll start creating the dashboard, right? Okay, now what you can do is, uh, here just write the name for this, which is nothing but the toss decision based on winning percentage. Okay, this is my uh, title, I can say. Okay, now what I can say here, let's go to the automate this marks card. Okay, I just wanted to change this from the automatic to pie. Okay, now what I can do, I can simply drag my winners, okay, into the angle, right? Now after this, here you can see that, okay, like this is, showing me some kind of warning, I can say. So invalid, it is saying that if you go here and read this, the field winner is invalid here for pi marks. So what I can do, I can, okay, right click to this, and I can simply go to the measures. Okay, and what I can do, I can simply select the count. Okay, now I got this whole circle, right? Now I can simply use my toss decision. I can drag into the this. Let me change the entire view. You can see the entire view. If you want the labels, okay, we want the labels like this over here. So what we can do, we can simply use these. Okay, just drag this by using the control, select this, drag and put it into my labels. This is my label we got. Okay, I can simply use this again, the toss decision I can use into the, label. So I got the labels. Okay, now we can just go and modify the labels. Okay, we can go and modify the labels. So let me just copy this, paste it above. Okay, select this, put into the middle. Okay, I guess increase the size a bit. Okay, and the chain the semi bold, Tableau semi bold. I'll do the same thing with this. Okay, I guess go with the 11 Tableau semi bold, and the numbers, okay, I guess will be same, no issue for all. Okay, that is the thing. Now basically this is the pie chart. Yes or no, this is basically the pie chart we just created, right? Now what we can do, we can simply convert this pie chart into the, basically the donut chart. So for that, what I can do, I can simply go to the columns, click to, double click to it, and I can simply add the one line of code, one word. I can simply average 0. Okay, enter this. Okay, I got this. What I can do, I can again double click to this. I'll use the average, again 0, enter this, and see I got this double. Okay, now here you can see this is my the first average 0. See, this is my second average 0, and for that I got the each marks card. If you see, this is the average 0 for this, and this is average 0 for second one. So what I can do, I don't want anything in that second. Okay, so that's why I can simply remove this. Okay, then I'll go to the first, I'll increase the size a bit. Okay, let's say I increase the size like this. Okay, this is my size, let's say. Okay, now I'll go over here. What I can do, I can simply use these. Okay, no, I can simply go over here, and we can uh, simply right click to this, and we can say that the dual axis. Now here you can see. Okay, now what I can see, I can again go over here in the size and increase the size a bit. Right, is it looks like a donut chart? No, not till now, because if you see the colors is like this. Now is it look like a donut chart, guys? Yes, absolutely, this is a donut chart, right? So that's how you can create the donut chart. Okay, so it's very simple, very simple. If you know how to create it, which means you can, you know, you can do anything. Okay, now after this, what we can do, we can just okay, again the same thing over here. I don't want the axis, just right click to it. I don't want the x-axis, so that's why I just hide this particular thing. Now I can go ahead, and here if you see that you see the average 0, you will see that the last line. I don't want this, so I can update this. I can just go over here, and I don't want this. Now I can simply remove it and see. Okay, now here you will see the only two values, right? The two values. So for this, and I guess for this, for both, right? Because here the tool is 0, nothing is that, right? Here for this you will see all this thing, right? Now after this, I can go ahead and see. Here you can see the lines. Okay, there is one thing which is lines, so I just wanted to, I just don't want this particular lines. Okay, so for that, what I can do it, I can right click to the chart. Okay, I can go to the format, and here you can see that this is my format. Okay, so basically go to the columns. Okay, and default, if you see, okay, select this, I guess. Okay, this might zero lines, if you see. Okay, go for the, oh, go for here. Hmm. Okay, this is all none, I guess. Yeah, grid lines. I don't want columns. Yes, just go over here. I don't want this. So you can see that this particular line, I don't want this line. Just put the none, and here you can see that we just remove it. Okay, let's simply just put for all, and you can see that the grid lines also gone. Now you never see the any line over here, right? So that's how you can create the plot again. See, so you just created the plot, guys. See, we just created the plot. Now what we can do is, okay, we can now simply go and create the dashboard. It's a time to create the dashboard. It's very simple, guys, to create the dashboard. See how many plots we just created. See these many plots we created, and in those plot you will find that the few are just the images. Few are just the images. Okay, so what I can do, I can simply go to my dashboard. See my dashboard. Okay, and I'll change the size of this particular dashboard, right? So for that, what I can do, I can simply go to the size. Okay, and instead of range, I'll use the fixed size. Okay, and I'll go with the custom. Okay, according to my dashboard. Here you can see, you can go with the dashboard browser as well, desktop browser as well. Okay, you will see the laptop as well. See, so what I can do, I can simply go with my laptop size. So for that, I'll just go with my laptop width. Okay, which is 3020. And here you can see the height for this is going to be the, I guess, 678. So after clicking to this, here you will be able to see we just able to uh, got this all. I can add this, I guess. I can add this 80. Okay, I guess I can go with the 700, depends on the size. Okay, so now here you can see that the uh, we'll be able to, okay, we are comfortable with this. We can add the few more, enter it, and now here you go. Now this is the, I guess this is the the perfect size for my particular the laptop. Okay, now I can create the the dashboard. Now okay, I can simply just go to this show dashboard title, click to this, and I can edit this title. Okay, just I can edit the title like this: IPL analysis, right? I can use the dashboard. Okay, what I can do, I can simply use this, change into the board. Okay, and I can use this in the middle. This is my dashboard, right? Now okay, secondly, I can go into the layout. Okay, and what I can do, I can simply use the tile. I'll use this. Why? Because here you will see that I'll have to add the multiple, you know the multiple plots inside it. Okay, that is why. So if you see that, what I can do, I can in the item hierarchy, you will find that the tile, basically we'll be using a first tile, let's say. And yes, and now here you can see that now we are able to, now this is all my tile, you can see. Okay, now what I can do, I can simply go over here and I can put my background color, let's say a bit gray. Now after this, let's say, let me go and right click to this title, and I just wanted to uh, format it. Okay, because if you see that, okay, now in the format, I can simply use the shading if from default to blue. I can simply select this. Okay, so and what I can do, format title, and I guess why it is might to work over here, not this. Okay, Okay, so we have this style na, format title. Okay, okay. Just go into the, okay. Now here if you see, let's select this format title. Let's go and, oh, um, I guess it just formatted this. Okay, edit the title, IPL analysis. Okay, select it, bold it. Oh, this is just for the name, I guess. Inside apply it. Okay, now use this particular thing. No, I guess. mm, okay, what I can do, I can go to the, okay, this is my IPL one, format title, apply this. No, okay, no worries. What we can do now after this, guys, okay, we can simply add the, the containers. Okay, we can simply add the containers if you see. So we can, what we can do, we can simply add the few containers over here. uh, Now as the horizontal container, okay, because this particular thing we can say, this particular part. Okay, I guess, yes, guys, right, see, we are running out of time. So like I created all the plots, and now we'll have to just add this all the plots into the one single layout of the dashboard. Yeah, so what we can do, we can try to, add that this all the particular plots like this, right, tomorrow. So I'll show you this particular all the things how you can do in the tomorrow. Okay, guys, so that is about the session. Thank you, guys, thank you very much.